Hello everyone, welcome back. In our previous video, we have learned to identify a phrase and a clause in a sentence. Now, in our video, we will learn to identify a dependent or independent clause. So, let's start our video. Dependent and independent clause. Dependent means जो मेन सेंटेंस पर डिपेंड करे वो है हमारा डिपेंडेंट क्लोज. इंडिपेंडेंट क्लोज मीन्स it has complete sense in itself. It has its own subject and verb combination. So as we have learned that a clause need combination of subject and verb. So we will learn through some examples to identify dependent and independent clause. Okay. Our first example is I think that you have made a mistake. I think that you have made a mistake. Now look this sentence. I think. If I talks only in I think, it has subject and verb combination. You have made a mistake. You have made a mistake. It has also subject and verb combination, right? So it is a clause and it is another clause in a sentence. एक सेंटेंस में दो या उससे ज्यादा क्लोज हो सकते हैं. So here we have two clauses in this sentence. I think that. If I say I think that, it has something that. I think that. So it doesn't give complete sense. We know that sometimes it gives complete sense or sometimes not. So it is a dependent clause. It is a dependent clause and it is an independent clause. It needs nothing to complete its sense. You have made a mistake. It is a complete sense and it is a independent clause. While these clauses depend on this clause. So it is a dependent clause and it is a independent clause. We cannot start while it is raining. Here we have two clauses in this sentence. We cannot start. We have subject and verb combination here. We cannot start. Subject verb combination, so it is a clause. While it is raining, it has subject and verb combination, but while it is raining, so what? So it is a dependent clause. It depends on this clause to complete its sense. So in this sentence we have two clauses again, and it is a independent clause and it is a dependent clause. He has a chain which is made of gold. He has a chain which is made of gold. He has a chain. It has subject verb combination. It is a independent clause. It has complete sense. Now we will see this part of the sentence, which is made of gold. Again, which is our subject, is our verb. Again we have subject plus verb combination, but which is made of gold. Which? We are talking of what? So we are talking of chain. This clauses depend on this clause to make a complete sense. So here it is a independent clause and it is a dependent clause. Okay. Next example is if he comes, I will help him. If he comes. If he comes. He comes, again subject verb combination. It is a clause, but if he comes, यदि वह आता है तो क्या? So what? I will help him. मैं उसकी मदद करूंगी. So I will help him. It has subject verb combination. It has complete sense. It is a independent clause. But this clause is depend on this clause to make a complete sense. So in this sentence, it is a dependent clause and it is a independent clause. Next example is John is absent because he is ill. If I say only John is absent, now we have subject verb combination. Subject plus verb combination. It is a clause. It has complete sense in itself. It needs nothing to make a complete sense. So it is a independent clause. But if I say only because he is ill, क्योंकि वह बीमार है, क्योंकि वह बीमार है. So then what? We don't know. So it has subject plus verb combination. It is a clause, but it is dependent on this clause to make a complete sense. Okay. Our next example is when the sun set, he returned home. When the sun set, he returned home. If I say only the sunset, it would be a independent clause and has complete sense. But here, when is added to this sentence. When the sun set, when the sun set, जब sunset होगा तो क्या? It has verb, subject and verb combination, but then condition is when applying here. So what? He returned home. He returned home. He subject returned verb. Again subject verb combination has a complete sense. It is a independent clause, but this clause is depend on this clause to make a complete sense. So we will know the difference and how to identify a dependent and a independent clause very well. I hope आप सभी को समझ आया होगा. Thanks for watching.